Whenever you're ready, do the countdown.
Right.
Okay, the countdown is starting now.
Just a minute. Matthew, you need to inform everybody it might go without the countdown.
Oh.
Okay.
What was that, James?
Okay, we're firing in about 30 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Stand by!
Here we go, counting down now. I'm very excited. And actually quite scared, to be honest, as well. I'm just going closer and built by Jago and Alan Bunnock to pharmaceutical lunatics.
Whenever you're ready.
Who intend to make British history in a matter of seconds. There will be a countdown. Not sure from what. Any second now. Could be a countdown from 10, could be a countdown from 506 at the moment. Is there an ignition problem, Jago?
It's occasionally the bulb. It's a... Okay. Just checking.
Okay.
Just everyone getting nervous.
Okay. A lot of nerves. The smell of fear is dense in the air indeed. Will there be a countdown, Jago?
Yes, we'll definitely be a countdown. All Alan's doing at the moment is basically just checking.
Ready to launch. Everybody
Okay,
listening in on this channel. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Jago.
We've had a
Jago.
blown up.
Upset, surely? Yeah.
Extremely.